And welcome in, everybody. Happy Friday to you. Meteorologist Matt Wintz. Top news headlines today. Obviously, the weather. We've got a winter storm moving through all of northern Ohio right now. So let's get you up to speed on the latest. We'll start with the big picture. We've got a system stretch out from Canada all the way down towards the Gulf of Mexico. In this area, low pressure that's developing that's going to head north and east and bring not just a slug of moisture that we have now, but it's going to continue that. And at the same time, as we've got this rain changing to freezing rain and sleet, we've got cold air working into the system. So we've got a lot of moisture in place. As that cold air continues to work into this moisture, we're going to see that changeover that we've been highlighting all week, from rain to freezing rain to sleet to snow. And the temperatures, really, that's the big story here. We were in the 60s this morning down to the south. We have now dropped to near freezing or even below freezing off in Erie and Huron counties. And look at this as we go through time, that temperature drop, that very sharp line between our 50s today to a 20-degree drop in about an hour for many of you. And as that temperature continues to drop, that rain that's falling will start to freeze on contact. So let's take you through hour by hour. Right now, we've got a lot of rain outside. We do have some mix, some freezing rain starting to be reported off to the west. Most of these surfaces, though, are still above freezing, but that's going to change throughout the afternoon. You look at the 2 o'clock hour, we're talking most of northern Ohio under some sort of freezing rain or sleet mix, maybe some snow off towards the west. Look at these temperatures by 5. We're all into the 20s, if not the teens, over towards Sandusky. So eventually that freezing rain changing to sleet will eventually become all snow from west to east as we go throughout the evening hours. And for your evening rush, we're talking an end to the ice, and we're talking snow across northern Ohio. And that lasts through the evening hours, especially overnight down to the south and east where those snow accumulations could start to add up. And temperatures tomorrow, what a difference in the single digits for lows as we go into Sunday morning. So let's talk accumulation. Ice accumulation first. I think we'll have most of the icing down to the south and the east of the Cleveland area, and impacts of how much we're expecting trees to see some light icing, icy overpasses, and we could have some spotty power outages. Obviously, travel impacts are going to be felt for that evening rush hour as well. Snow accumulation, yep, we're talking anywhere from about 2 to 5 inches, I think, at the end of the system. Sleet could cut down on that, but down to the south and the east with that second wave tonight, we could be dealing with some higher accumulations. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. Rain to snow to ice here as we go throughout the daytime as those temperatures continue to plummet. So that evening rush hour not looking good. As we hold on to your Saturday, looking like we'll have that snow clearing. And look at that, a little bit of snow next week, couple inches, but warming up on into next weekend.